How to create an AI email responder with n8n. So, step 1, go to the website of n8n or you can install and launch n8n on your Windows. Step 2, create a new workflow and add the IMAP email or the email trigger. And then, set your credentials and parameters. After that, step 3, connect it to an open AI or an Anthropic AI node. And then create an assistant, and then set your parameters and then save. Step 4, after the AI generates the response, connect it to a send email node. And then after that, set your parameters and then save. After all of that, step 5, save and activate your workflow. So every time you receive an email, n8n will handle it automatically with AI. And that's it. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.